All right, moving on to my 3-wood. This is the brand new Epic Max 3 Plus. Just got it from Callaway, and they were nice enough to set me up with the LINQ Gunmetal shafts, right? So in here I've got a 6F5. So in a fairway wood shaft, again, with my descending angle and strike, I like to make sure that I have a very tight tolerance. So this is a lower torque, maybe a 3-degree torque shaft that allows me to compress the ball right off the turf and strike it and still have that stability. So I'm not trying to take huge divots, obviously, with this club, but I do hit down, so I need that stability. So here's what that one looks like. I'll try to hit a little bit of a squeeze fade for you. So I really like that stability. I've loved it in my Maverick that I had before this, and now in my Epic Max. So when I'm hitting a lot of working type fairway woods, picture a tight par 4, I've got to sting it down the fairway, or I'm coming into a par 5 and I want to float one high in, you need a shaft that you can feel the head and that you can get that response. You also need a shaft that when you strike the turf is going to respond correctly, so that you're not getting that shaft kicking in a different way than you're expecting. So that's the 3-wood, goes right in the bag for this week's tournament.